Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you how I do makeup on matured skin. Of course, the first step is to communicate with your client about what kind of makeup or look they are going for. In this case, my client said that she really just wants a very natural look. For matured skin, I like to make sure that I do extra moisture and hydration to the skin. So I'm using a thick moisturizer from La Roche-Posay. Then I'm going to brush and set the brow hairs upwards using this brow gel from Absidy. This will give the effect of a lifted look. Then I'm going to use the serum foundation from Bobbi Brown. This has a light consistency, therefore it would not settle or crease on the fine lines or wrinkles on the skin. Then I'm going to use this peach color corrector from MAC to color correct any discolorations like melasma or sunspots on the skin. I make sure to use only a light amount of powder to set the cream products to avoid creasing. I'm using this eyeshadow from MAC because this has very fine shimmers. I'm starting with putting a darker shade of eyeshadow near the eyelashes to open up the eyes, and then I'm blending it out a bit outwards, but I'm not trying to form a wing because our client has hooded eyes. And then I'm packing the light shimmers onto the center of the lid. Using fine shimmers does not highlight the wrinkles or texture in that area of the skin, but it also enhances the eye. And then I'm using a thin eyeliner to add depth and enhancement to the eyes. I also make sure to use cluster lashes because it is more comfortable for mature women. I am using a lighter shade of concealer to hide the shadows that is caused by the more hollow spots or areas under the eyes. This will cancel the shadows and lessen the appearance of lines or eye bags. After I set with powder, I make sure to use a puff so that I can remove any excess powders and avoid creasing. Since we're doing a very natural look, I am just filling in the sparse areas of the brows. And then I'm just using this brown eyeliner on the lower lash line to open up the eyes even more. When working with mature women, I try not to create harsh contour. So I'm using this bronzing powder from MAC. This adds warmth to her skin, but it also adds more dimension to the face. For the blush, I'm using this one from Kiko Milano. It has fine shimmers to it, and I'm applying it onto the high points of the cheek, where the cheekbones are. Applying it in these areas gives the face an instant facelift. It is also very important to define the jawline. I'm using a MAC contour powder onto the jawline and I'm blending it downwards to the neck. As we get older, our lips naturally change in shape. So it is very important to redefine the shape of the lips using a darker lip pencil. And then I fill in her lips with her preferred lip color. I also blend everything with a clean brush and then I set it with this one size setting spray. This is the final look for our client today. She is very sweet and very grateful, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.